Hi there, this is question 19 from the foundation paper in Methods, and that's June 2012. So we're looking at a question which is a substitution into a formulae. It's asking us to work out y, and we're told that y is equal to 3 times p plus 4 times q. So you see that where there's a p, I've replaced it with the value of p, which is 5.2. And where there's a q, I've replaced it with a value of q, which is 4.8. Putting that into the calculator, indicating you need to multiply 3 by 5.2, and you get an answer of 34.8. It's exactly that, so there's no rounding necessary, and that's that first question done. Just make sure to put things in brackets when you're substituting in, particularly if you had negatives. This question here is the same formula, but this time it tells you that y is 32, p is 7.2, and we don't know what q is, and we want to work it out. So the first thing we've got to do is work out what 3 times 7.2 is. So putting that into your calculator, we discover that 3 times 7.2 is 21.6. Okay, now what we've essentially got is a little equation to solve. So if you're familiar with your solving equations, you should spot that we can take away 21.6 from both sides. And if we take away 21.6 from 32, we end up with 10.4, and that's what our 4q must be worth. So 21.6 plus 10.4 will give us our 32. But we want to know what 1q is. We don't want to know what 4 of them are, so we're going to need to do 10.4 divided by 4. And that will give us q is 2.6, because 2.6 times 4 will give us 10.4.